small of the butt. Butt plate, butt, small of the butt. Trigger, guard. If this guard is not there, a guard is there to prevent a thief from entering your house, right? Guard is the chowkidar. So that if by mistake you don't press it, so there is a guard. If you don't want to do any mistake, your hand is on the guard. You understand? So this is trigger guard, this is the trigger. Thereafter, this is the bolt. Chamber. So you take a round, you take the bolt, take it behind. So this is open. And then in the chamber you put the round. Take one round, feed it, and then you load it, and then you lock it. So now it is ready to fire. After that, you have to take the second step. That is aiming. How do you aim? You take the rifle on your shoulder. You all must be knowing that there is this below your right clavicle. There is a bone here. Am I right? There is a straight bone here. Just below that. Butt plate should be resting just below that. Understood? Okay. So if you keep this, now I am telling you the first aspect, which is known as the correct holding. Hat mein first point, holding. If you hold correctly, you won't go wrong. Okay? So you hold the small of the butt from your right hand and put it like this. Now your left hand is actually not holding. Left hand is left hand, yes. Left hand is just supporting. No holding, no force. Now you see how. Just, that's it. Don't hold. Just support so that it doesn't go. This is clear? From the left hand you are just supporting. And from right hand you are holding. Holding with force. अच्छे से पकड़ना है. Clear? Now, one of so when you are holding this, then you see that you should hold it with force. Okay. So if like ma'am is pulling you pull the barrel. You try to snatch it. So when she is taking the rifle, I should also go. Put. Okay, not this. I'll show a back demo. ऐसा अलग नहीं होना. Rifle becomes part of your body. I'll show again. I've holded it like this. So if somebody is pulling, I will. We both are quick fix. जुड़ गया मेरा rifle से. This is correct holding. If you have even half an inch gap, then this will shake. If this will shake, your aim will shake. You understand? Yes or no? Yes. Keep this in mind. But this is by which hand? Right hand. Right hand is used for firm grip. हिंदी में बोलता है मजबूत पकड़. क्या बोलता है? मजबूत पकड़. Left hand is just for support. Clear? Let's show this pose again. This just below the collarbone, on this soft part you have kept here, and like this, just support. Your right cheek resting on the rifle. Left eye is closed, and with the right eye I am looking. Okay. Now the next part of the rifle. एक cadet आ जाओ. One of you can come to hold them. Good. So this was what? Chamber and the round. Okay, clear? After this, this is what? This is barrel. Right? You are just holding it. Okay? So, when I am looking like this, my eye is there, that is right eye, the backside aperture and the foresight tip. If you take a line from the center of my eye, it should touch the backside aperture and the top of the foresight tip. All should be in one line, right? So when all these three things are lined, now this is your second question of A, B and C certificate examination. What is the name of the question? The question is, what is sight alignment? What is? Sight alignment. So when the eye of the firer, the backside aperture and the foresight tip are in one straight line, it is called as sight alignment. Okay. After that, one of the cadets can go and pick up that target. One of you come up. There is a target. Yes. Now this is the target. इधर देखिए आओ, सामने देखो. Hold it. You all can see this? So, when the eye of the firer, backside aperture, foresight tip are in one line, it is known as sight alignment. When all these three are in line with the target, that becomes sight picture. What is it?